This MacBook Pro has fallen on the floor and now it's powering on but shows no display, only black screen. I will show you how to fix this black screen problem at home. Just follow the steps I explained in this video. I will power it on and see if it shows something or not. It gives a beep and I can hear the fan running, so basically it is on but there is no display. Also you can see the Apple logo that is on. Now firstly we will try some commands from the keyboard before opening the back case. That might work in many cases. Also tell me in comment section which command or method works for you, and if you know any other idea also share with our viewers. Step number 1 is we will boot in safe mode. Press and hold shift and power button for 10 seconds, then release them. Then check display comes or not. Step number 2 is we will PRAM or nvram reset. Press and hold option, command, R and P key for 10 seconds, then release them. Now check display comes or not. If not, move to the next step. Step number 3 is we will reset Mac SMC, System Management Controller. Press and hold shift, control, option and power button for 10 seconds, then release them. Now press the power key and check if display comes or not. If still black screen, then go to the next step. Now open the back cover screws and detach the back cover with the help of a sharp scraper. After opening the back case, firstly we have to check for any physical damage. Carefully look for all components. If everything is okay, move to the next step. First step is to remove the hard disk drive or SSD. It have a screw, open it and detach it from the motherboard. Next step is to detach all the cables, connectors like battery and others, and it is better to clean the connector jacks. We have to remove all the connectors of wires that are visible in front of us, because there should be some problem with the connectors when our MacBook Pro is fallen. Detaching and connecting the hardware also works sometimes. Now attach all the cables and also install the hard drive. It will fix all the loose connections, viewers. Insert the SSD and install its screw. Put the back cover, install all the screws and press the power key to check the result. You have seen that our MacBook Pro black screen problem has been fixed and the display have come back. So this is the method of troubleshooting MacBook Pro black screen. Firstly, you can try some commands. If that doesn't work, then you have some hardware problem. In case of any queries, ask in comment section. We will be happy to reply them. Do subscribe our channel for more informative videos. It's free, viewers. Goodbye.